Hi, my name is Kirsten Standevad. I live in Copenhagen, Denmark, but I've lived all across the globe, so I call myself a Danish cosmopolitan. I am married to the love of my life and I have 3 little kids. And I consider myself someone who has really been through a lot of the issues and a lot of the things that modern women go through. You know, I've tried the busy life, I've tried the stress life, I've tried the life with juggling all these balls. And as a lot of you, I think, I have looked for solutions on how to have it all. We have this inner strength, this inner power, this inner magnificence, this inner essence, these inner unlimited resources that we have forgotten all about. We've forgotten about all the feminine power, all the feminine strength, all that the feminine has to offer, both in our own lives, in our families, and in society, and in businesses. In this society where everything is going faster and faster, and we need to perform all the time, and we need to multitask, we need to master technology on the one side, our families, our health, our beauty, our relationships, our work. I mean, it's endless what modern women need to master. Where do we find the strength? Where do we find the power? Where do we find the inspiration? And I'm saying we can go back to these role models, these leaders, and look for what we can learn from them that we can use in modern societies today.